Hello everyone, this is Viola from ORIEMAC. We are a company exporting construction machines for 80 years old. Today I will introduce LONKING LG833N wheel loader for you. The LONKING LG833N wheel loader is equipped with high-performance, fuel-efficient engine that delivers strong torque and reliable power, ensuring smooth operation under heavy loads. This wheel loader features optimum hydraulic system for faster response and improved efficiency, reducing energy consumption while maintaining high productivity. The LONKING 833N wheel loader is built with reinforced frame and strong strength materials to withstand tough working conditions, ensuring long service life and reduced maintenance costs. The LG833N wheel loader operating weight is 10,300 kg and the rated payload is 3,000 kg. His engine also from a Chinese famous brand WEICHAI, and his engine power is 92 kW. The LONKING LG833N wheel loader combines power efficiency and reliability, making it an excellent choice for business looking to enhance productivity in changing work environments. This is all for today's introduction. Welcome to your inquiry. See you next time. Bye bye.